Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see a function called AND function, which is used to combine uh, text within multiple cells, text or numerics, anything. So we'll just do some uh, examples here. So let's say we want to create one data set wherein there is a full name of these employees, like first name and last name. Now, in case of small data set, it might be possible to just type it manually, but in case what if the data set is very big? In that case, you can use AND function. It will go like this: equal to John, then we have to put and let's say I give cell reference for Smith. So this is how text is combined. Now you can see between John and Smith there is no space. So what to do? So after the first AND you can put two colons, another AND. Between the colons you can put space and then enter. So this is how, as you can see, there is a space between the names. Then let's say in the similar way you can also do it, like let's say you want to combine city and department, so equal to city and department. Now between city and department, this time let's say instead of space I want to put a dash, so it will be like this, and effect like this. Or you can do it like this also, like some space on both the sides, copy and paste it below, and this is how the result will be. Now you want to, let's say, make it in email display format. So in that case you can make it like this, let's say equal to name and colon, bracket again, double quote, and we select, let's say, email id, again, and again quote, bracket close quote. So like this, let me put space here, let's say. So yeah, this is also another example. Then let's say you want to create a sentence, then in that case what will you do? For example, let's say name and where he works in, which city, let's say. So what we can do is equal to select the first name and quote space, then we can say works in, again quote, then and select the city. So John works in New York. So here you can give space again between works in and city. So like this, like this you can do. So